So in today's video, I'm going to replace this old 1080 Ti liquid cooled into this, the new 2080 Ti Seahawk EKX from MSI. So here is the new card mounted on the computer and the new tubing bin. So here I'm using 3D Mark to benchmark the graphic card, and as you can see, the 2080 Ti far exceeds the 1080 Ti by more than 30%. So now I'm using the superposition to benchmark the graphic card, and as you can see, the 1080 Ti runs at 5537. Now going to the 2080 Ti, it far exceeded too also again at 8811. But then after I did this and I started a game, this is what happened. So I tried everything under the sun to fix this issue. Installed a driver, uninstalled the driver. I tried everything and I couldn't get this to work. So I went online to see if there's any known issue. Lo and behold, there is a known issue with DDR6 RAM failing. So I guess I'm one of the lucky owners that happened to get one of the bad cards. I'm sorry to everyone that I cannot show some gameplay comparison for you guys, but hopefully next time I can. So now let's run through some of the color patterns. you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, click the alarm icon, like, and comment below. Have a wonderful day.